because one person asked, I'm gonna show you how to make a Vine remix. If you haven't seen the original one, it goes like this.
Two bros, chilling in the hot tub, 5 feet apart 'cause they're not gay.
And now I'll show you how I edited it. How I edited it.
Two bros, chilling in the hot tub.
So you start with the sample.
Two bros chilling in the hot tub, 5 feet apart 'cause they're not gay.
Sounds pretty good. There's already kind of a melody there and it's pretty easy to work with, so I just put it through some auto-tune to give it that auto-tune feel and establish a melody.
Two bros chilling in the hot tub.
I paired it with this Contact 808. It sounds just like the 808 from Love Lockdown.
Loving you.
And then also I layered that auto-tuned vocal sample up 1 octave and down 1 octave in terms of the format. Kind of like a pitch shifter, but not really. And then added some reverb. They're both really quiet, but they add a little more space.
Two bros chilling in the hot tub.
And then I paired up the 808 with layered some kick drums and a clap, just pretty basic percussion.
Two bros chilling in the hot tub.
And then to fill it out with some of the higher frequencies, I wanted to add some sort of other melody in the background. And then of course I layered it with some other sounds to kind of make it more full.
Two bros chilling in the hot tub, 5 feet apart 'cause they're not gay.
So I found this orchestral sample that I had. It originally sounded like this. It feels nice. And so I just pitched it up 8 semitones to be in the right key.
Bros, two bros.
And that sounds like it could use some kind of hi-hats and like a hey or an A sample. One of those classics, and just a really simple hat.
Chilling in the hot tub, in the hot tub. Two bros, chilling in the hot tub, in the hot tub.
And that's how you remix And that's how you remix a Vine.